All right, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm at BERTRAM. Hooray. And I am so warming up on Huck Harbor. Oh yeah. I've actually been driving most of the day. Oh yeah. Don't you like that janky feature? Okay, focused. Okay, maybe not. I've only been able to do that thing once. I think I did it on this bike too. So this is Huck Harbor. It's actually really tacky. It's actually damp, not really tacky. They took out the log ends. Oh no, they're still there. You just can't see them. I just saw a feature back here, a new one. I'm not really sure what that is. Wooden feature. I just caught a glimpse of it. I'm really not sure. This is actually a really fun short trail. And it's actually not on the map. I mean, it's not on the rock garden. Hey, I haven't been here for so long. Oh, this is all new. This was not here last time. Oh, wow. Wow. I was not expecting that. Then the jumps, right? Yeah. Not quite clearing them. But that's okay, I haven't been here in a while. Yeah, they've done some new stuff in here for sure. I'm hitting most of the new stuff. Yeah, that shark fin is definitely on their intimidation level. I refuse to let that stop me. Breaking the bank this year. Oh my gosh, it's so cool and nice. It's Saturday evening. There aren't that many people here. Technical feature. Oh, heck yeah. So this is the technical feature on Huck Harbor. New one. Never ridden this before. So I don't know what to expect. Oh, that was not much of a feature. What the hell? I know it's coming. This is what I saw a moment ago. Oh, I'm totally riding this. I think they're still working on it. I had to check it out. I had to press pause. So my rear derailleur is out of control. So my bike is gonna go into the shop here pretty soon. Oh, crap. It's okay, I can do it again. So they got that shortcut over there. I saw you, but I thought you were off them. Yeah. Uh-oh, somebody's in trouble. I hope I'm still recording. That's so awesome. I like it. I like it. I just hope I got that. Okay, so this is the feature. Not this. Going full blast. Oh my gosh, it's a lot more scary than I thought it was gonna be. Wah! Oh, I cleared it. Oh, but I'm not getting those other jumps. Oh, I just barely cleared it. That was the second time. Sweet. So now where does it connect with the other trail? I think I'm going so fast I don't realize it. I think I'm already on the other trail. The original trail. Actually, come to think of it, it's not a very good, it's a good feature, I like it. It's a little overgrown, among other things. Clean it up a little bit.